My people, how you doing? Certain Media DIY secret number 0.5. So you want to be a DIY musician. So you've accepted the mission and you're on your way to being a professional do-it-yourself musician. Think about what that means. I can tell you right now that if you have a dream of blowing up by this time next year, you can give that up right away. Unless you've been working diligently for the last 8 or 9 years and have made all the connections that you need to get there, you are not going to make it. Now, if you're willing to put in the work and do the networking and all the things that it takes to get there, you're probably on your way. Think about where you are in that 10 years. So you hear me keep quoting this 10 years, 10,000 hours of work. Malcolm Gladwell, Outliers. What is that about? In the book Outliers, Malcolm Gladwell cites research that says it takes an average 10,000 hours to become proficient in any profession. He uses a baseball pitcher, but you could apply this to anything. With my background in science, it made my mind start to buzz. So 10,000 hours, how does that break down? So I took 8 hours of work per day, which is what on average most people work on a full-time job. How long would it take you to get to 10,000 hours? And if you worked 40 hours a week, 8 hours a day, it takes you about 5 years to get to 10,000 hours. Most people trying to be a professional do-it-yourself musician also have a job. It might be full-time, so you're not going to be able to put in that much time. But if you divide that in half, let's say you can put in 4 hours a day. Now it becomes 10 years. 2 hours a day, 20 years. Same thing, same breakdown. So you have some things to think about. How many hours a week do you have to put into this? How much are you willing to put into this? Because I will tell you, as someone has seen some people that have actually made it, it's going to take that 40-hour a week kind of dedication. Even if you can't work that many hours on your craft, it's going to take that kind of dedication and passion. So that's the end of this intro section. We're about to really get into it. Hope you're ready. Secret number 1 is how to fund your dreams, because the biggest question I get asked as a music manager is, how do I make money to make my dream happen? And that's what I'm going to tell you in the next one. So I'll see you there. Secret number 1, how to fund your dreams. Peace.